Hello friends, it's Beth with Rekindle Blessings. As you can see, we've painted this peppermill with some Waverly white chalk paint, and now we're using the pencil to separate all these sections to make checks and stripes. I was going to use a ruler and decided against it, so I'm just going to draw the stripes on freehand because I can do it better without the ruler. Okay, and as you can see, we've divided this into 8 pieces. You can see 4 pieces of white and 4 pieces of black on the top. We're just going to go through and paint these little checks along the edge here, black and white. You guys, I absolutely love doing these little checks. It really is relaxing. It's a lot of fun. If you've not tried it, you need to try it. It is a blast to do. Once I put a little bit of a gloss shine on these, they are going to be absolutely gorgeous, you guys. They're going to be beautiful. But for now, we're just going to go through and do what we have to do to make them look nice. We've got checks and stripes and checks and stripes and stripes and checks. I love doing these, y'all. I really do. I think it's a lot of fun. If you guys have not tried the stripes or the checks, you definitely need to try it. They're super easy to do and super fun. You just go with the wave of the body that you're putting it on. You just take your line straight regardless of where it's at. You're taking it, and it will just kind of go with the body, and it will widen as the body widens, or it will get smaller as the body gets smaller. And guys, I am so sorry I keep getting my fat head in the way, but I usually have to keep things closer to me so that I can paint because of my eyes. My eyes are not the best. I really do enjoy doing these though. I hope you guys can see what's going on here where you can get a good enough idea. And we're just gonna dry this up really good. And then you guys, I'm gonna grab my white and I'm just straightening those lines where I had the black. We're just running some nice straight lines across there where I didn't get it exactly straight. Gonna dry that. And then you guys, once I get this all done, we're gonna start adding some gold. And once I start adding the liquid leaf, it just absolutely makes this thing come to life. It is gorgeous. I'm peeling plastic right now, you guys. There's plastic on this. These are brand new, even though they're old. I did get them in a box. They're an old style. I got them in the box with the plastic still on them. I'm adding the gold now. You can just see how that just brings that to life. It is just gorgeous. They are so pretty. And I will add a picture at the end here to show you the final results. I'm going to show you the one that's not painted, and then I'll show you the one that is painted. These turned out so pretty. I just absolutely love them.
You dumped it.
A fast video. Mr. Randy just walked in, you guys. Please ignore that. You did not hear that.
Sorry.
Chaos, y'all. I told you. Complete chaos around the Beck household all the time. But you know what? It's fun chaos. At least we're not slapping each other with a tortilla. Anyway, you guys, there's the end results. I hope you enjoyed it.